Hey guys, Ben here from Adventure 4x4. Just showing you what we've been doing behind the scenes. We've moved our warehouse to an off-site location, which that has enabled us to double our workshop space. What that means for you guys is we can get more production out. That means we can physically fit your four-wheel drive parts at a faster speed. Let's go have a look at the warehouse. Come and check it out. We've got spotlights, light bars in stock, ARB air compressors, dual battery systems, draw fit kits, Old Man Emu suspension, BP 51 suspension, Safari snorkels, Clearview towing mirrors, Department of Interior roof consoles, side rails and steps, Diesel Care fuel filter kits, ARB Frontiera fuel tanks. We have got everything needed for a four-wheel drive. New deliveries coming in, ARB fridge freezers. The girls have been so busy down here, entering stock, getting the warehouse ready. Hey Esme, how are you?
Hey Ben, good, how are you?
Good. Anything you need for your four-wheel drive, come down to Adventure 4x4. We've got all the gear for you. Cheers guys.